Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to open a PDF in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open Google Chrome. Now here you have to share your PDF in your drive. Just open your drive. You can see I have this PDF in my drive. Now just click on three dot. Now here click on open with. Now here you can see a Google Doc option. Just click on Google Docs. Now as you can see on my screen, my PDF is now open in Google Doc. So this is the easiest way to open a PDF in Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.